Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aneesah Pataebuenae. I'm from English Education Faculty of Education Hashim Ash'ari University. And now I would like to review research gap from my proposal, collaborative learning. Research problem: how is the teacher preparation in implementing of this collaborative learning? What did teacher hope about future direction of collaborative learning? Research method: this research used a class action research technique where the technique of assessing class action. The first is planning, the implementation of observation and reflection on the type of classroom action research that we use, namely collaborative action research. Research design: this research uses a quantitative research approach. This approach departs from a theory, and its purpose is to test the theory. The reason for choosing this type of research because the researchers want to know how much influence the emotional intelligence has on the student morale. MC how collaborative learning is less structured, whereby students are given more power over their learning than in traditional instruction. Harket collaborative learning is defined as a term to describe various processes by which students engage in peer learning in pairs or small groups. Johnson, collaborative learning in small groups has significant advantages over students who work individually. Scope of study: the present study focuses on teacher reflection and student important experiences in teaching, using, and learning through collaborative reading. The important experiences were taken from the teacher of reading who intensively applied collaborative reading in their reading class. The student reading mastery of the student who are taught by using small group discussion indicate a better result. The research used small group discussion as the method to teach the material that covers sample of menu and menu. It gives a good influence toward the student reading mastery. It makes them enjoy the class. It also increases the student interest and motivation in learning English, especially in reading mastery. Significance of the study: number 1, student. The result of this study will enhance the student reading comprehension through the selected stories that will allow them think critically, such will broaden their vocabularies as well. In the cycle, teacher, this study will be beneficial to the teacher because they can make use of the selected stories to draw the student interest. Doing so shall pave way toward increased reading comprehension of learners because of keenly selected stories suited to the learner's need. Research gap. No study was conducted on the effects of small group discussion as a technique to improve reading comprehension in narrative text on the same venue and responded type such provided aggregate reason that SJD might fill in the gaps of the variable showed by the various previous research, specifically in reading comprehension using narrative text in English. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.